Hello, my name is Stephanie Schaefer, the principal here at Bible Center School. We're excited to introduce our vision for technology-enabled learning and share with you a preview of what's ahead. The Raspberry Pi is a tiny and affordable computer that you can use to learn programming through fun, practical projects. We plan to create a semester-long curriculum for the Raspberry Pi Lab, where students can journey through the experience of building their own computer, install the operating system and various software packages and programs. They then move on to create their own special project. For example, writing some code, automating a task, controlling a robot, or making any number of interesting creations. This gives them a solid foundation in a variety of computer, programming, and creative design experiences. Watch this short demonstration of what the new Raspberry Pi Lab will be able to provide. And thank you for helping support Bible Center School.
Raspberry Pi is a powerful platform in one small package. So, where do you start? In this class, we will start with the basics, such as setting up your work area, navigating your Pi software, and how to write programs using Python. Diving deeper, you will also learn how to build a circuit, play sounds, and connect your Pi to the web. At the end of this class, you will use all of these new skills to build a custom photo booth. Raspberry Pi is an extraordinary tool for creating so many fun and practical projects.
I'm Patty Norton from TechThing, and I'm here on Digital Trends today to show you some cool Raspberry Pi projects just about anybody can build. Raspberry Pi Model 3 just went up for sale, and it brings up a question we've been having ever since the very first Raspberry Pi launched 4 years ago. What can I do with a $25 PC the size of a credit card? Okay, the new Pi 3 costs $35, not $25, and for the first time has onboard Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, along with an Ethernet jack, an HDMI port that allows you to connect it to your HD TV. But really, a computer that costs less than a couple of pizzas? What good can it really be? A lot, actually. The low-cost all-in-one computer designed by the Raspberry Pi Foundation was built to make it affordable for people of all ages to explore computing and to learn how to program in languages like Scratch and Python. Now, that may sound a little boring, but it's been used to control robots. It's become the heart of high-def home theater boxes. It can run a simple version of Minecraft. There's even an Astro Pi project. Sound like space? Yes, it's running student projects on the International Space Station right now. So, this cheap credit card-sized PC can actually do a lot, and not just if you're a geeky Linux guru. Seriously, if you can download a file to an SD card, I bet you can turn a Pi into a bunch of really cool things.
Hi, I'm Mark Scott, Content and Curriculum Manager at the Raspberry Pi Foundation, and I'm your lead educator for this course. I'm part of the education team and write many of the projects you can find on the Raspberry Pi website. On this course, we will discover how you can transition from block to text-based programming. Block-based languages such as Scratch make it simple to learn and teach programming, but once you and your students have mastered it, it is time to move on to a text-based language such as Python. You will learn how to apply the thinking and programming skills you have learned in Scratch to text-based programming languages like Python. The course will show you the power of text-based programming and give you the tools to support your students in their transition too.
I was searching for interactive programming language on the internet, and I came across Scratch. As soon as I shared my first project, I got instant feedback, and I was like, okay, I want to continue with this.
I remember my first project was a super simple animation. I'm still actually really proud of my first project. It opened my eyes to the different possibilities that coding can present.
So I've been drawing basically since preschool when I learned how to hold a crayon. I think making art with Scratch is different because I can collaborate with other people, make something interactive that other people...
There was a song that said, "Happy, happy birthday."
I put Scratch in there. It just became an instant hit on the site and inspired so many people to make their own songs and remixes.
Anyone can do anything with my project, and sometimes it's really funny how they change things at the end. It just goes to show like how much you can actually do with all the things you have in Scratch.
When you're looking at other people's projects, you're engaging on such a different level, which really encourages this kind of mindset of seeing yourself and each other as makers of things and not just consumers.
But I never thought that I could do like the coding part. Like I thought like I have to wait till I'm a grown up and like hire someone to code it for me. But then I was like, hey, I can actually do this myself.
It gets more complex, but once you know the basics, you can add on to your knowledge and move at your own pace.
If you like solving problems, if you like drawing, if you like making music, if you're into anything, Scratch is for you.
Thank you for supporting Bible Center School and our mission to develop Christian character combined with academic excellence. We truly seek to serve the students you entrust to us in the very best way and equip them for a life of meaningful contribution. Bible Center School. Start here, go anywhere.